package. Oh my goodness. My grandbaby's dress. Yay! It's so cute. It's so cute. I just couldn't. How cute are these? Lord. Look at it. It has the great, look at how the prints. It's a gift. Latte! Ba-bum, ba-bum! Coffee. Oh, smells so fantastic. Oh, this coffee. Relief. Focus on this. Stress. Relief. I need it. I need a little sip. Ah, God. Break. God, stop. This, I'm happy. TJ Maxx. This is beautiful. I lost a lot of weight though. This is $12.99. I like it because it's brown. The color is what really. Look at my babies. My babies dress. Unboxing my foot massage. Ooh, look at it. Lord of mercy. I don't know if it works already. I think you have to plug it on for it to. Echo foot massage. And this is the place they plug it. And this, that's massaging the foot. Boom. My foot massage is here. And so, yeah, I got king size, and these are bed covers. These are bed covers. Cover the bed when you're traveling, so that all these jaga jaga things don't come and jaga jaga you. Yeah. Bed. These are bed covers. These are bed covers from Timu. Hello. What about shop? It comes like this. Off the box, and it has a lace front and baby hair. Ooh. Soft. It's soft. Oh, I like it. Oh my God, this is work. This is just temporal, okay? Calm down, everybody. So this is her. Me and my new hair. Let me come closer so you can see. You see the hair? Huh. It looks like braided from my scalp. It's so soft though. Oh, it's soft. Okay, good. I like it. So what's the other? Oh, why am I taking it off? I have something else to show you guys. My hair is not good. This waist. Oh, maybe is it perfume? I think it is. Oh my Golden Sun perfume. Golden Sun. Oh, let me show it to you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Smells amazing. Yep. Golden Sun. It's for traveling. So warm. It's very warm and spicy. Warm and spicy. Golden Sand. Golden Sand perfume. It's really warm and spicy. So it comes in this package. I ordered two. It smells lingers. Arabian. Golden Sand perfume. There she is. Boom. A boom. There she is. Oh, this is her. This is she. This is us. This is we. Thank you so much. Oh, I had to support her. I got lots of this. Loads of this. Support the babies. Subscribers. Yes, I'm gonna give it to one of my subscribers. I have lots of them. I didn't want to bring everything. I just brought this. I'm just saying support. That's it. Done. Thank you. Woo. Thank. Oh, please remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. Subscribe. Like and share. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.